Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to order free Payoneer physical master. So first of all, what you have to do is you just have to open your Payoneer in your browser and then you can simply just tap on this order a card. You can order your card in euros or you can order your card in USD as you can wish. So if I tap on this order a card, and as you can see these two options you will get. So tap on this physical card and click on next, and now you have to choose the currency like euro on GBP. So just tap on this next after selecting, and now you have to enter your all information and tap on next. And now as you can see, you have to choose shipping free and then simply tap on this order card. And now as you can see, our card has been successfully ordered. So I ordered my card in pounds currency, and as you can see this will review our shipment and then we will receive our Payoneer physical card. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can order free Payoneer physical MasterCard. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.